Welcome to genNEXT at Home, Block Code Bowling Alley. I'm Ethan Matzdorf, 24G Experiential Programmer. At 24G, we use code to power experiential technology, from large-scale brand experiences like Chevy Crowdplay, to our office's custom bowling scoring system. But first, what is coding? Coding is a term for computer programming. It's how you give a computer specific instructions on what to do. Simply put, coding is problem solving, using logic and creativity to make new digital products. Today, we'll be block coding our own bowling alley using Scratch. To get started, you'll need access to the Scratch website. You'll also need a bowling ball GIF and a bowling lane image. You can get my project files at the link in the description. To enter the Scratch editor, hit Create. What we code will appear here on the stage. Move your cursor over the backdrop icon to see different backdrop options, and click Upload to add our bowling lane's backdrop. Next, we need a character to animate. In programming, we call this a sprite. Hover over the sprite button and upload our bowling ball GIF. If your sprite is too big, make it smaller by adjusting the size. 20 is just right. Now, let's make our sprite move. This empty space is where we place our code blocks. Each block of code performs a specific action, so we can drag and drop to get our bowling ball rolling. First, we need to add a start block from the events section. We can get the ball to move by going to the Motion tab and snapping the Move block into the Start block. Touch the green flag and see what happens. To get the ball to go down the lane, select the direction and drag it to face forward. What happens? It moves, but not to the end of the lane. Let's adjust the code to make the number of steps really big. Wait, that causes the ball to jump forward, not roll. We need the ball to instead move small amounts multiple times. To do this, go to the Control tab and place a repeat block around the Move block. So the ball will move 10 steps 10 times. Okay, let's run this. 10 steps is not quite far enough. Neither is 15. 20 is just right. Now, let's make the ball start in the same spot every time, so we don't need to drag it. Find the Go to XY block under the Motion tab, and place it under the Start block. Now that the ball is moving down the lane, let's make it look like it's rolling. Since the ball I uploaded is an animated GIF, Scratch will take each frame of the GIF and turn it into a costume. All we need to do is go to the Looks tab and add a Next Costume block under the Move block. To get the ball to disappear when it reaches the end of the lane, add a Hide block at the end of your code. But now when I run this code, my ball is gone. To fix this, add a Show block under the Start block of our code. Congratulations, you just bowled using code. Coding is a skill, and just like any other skill, you need to practice. Check out other tutorials under the Ideas tab in Scratch, or on raspberrypi.org. Want to take your game to the next level? Check out my full Scratch project at the link in the description to learn how to add bowling pins to your bowling alley. Show us how you roll using the 24genNEXT hashtag for a chance to be featured. Happy coding, and remember, the best code is code well tested.